Introducing the new 24V Thermostat Conversion Kit by WhisperKOOL. This new option enables you to tap into industry-leading thermostat technology, allowing you to monitor and control the environment of your cellar. During the order process, select the 24V conversion kit when speaking to your representative. Next, purchase the smart thermostat of your choice. Finally, your installation technician will connect your WhisperKOOL unit to the 24V thermostat you've selected. Modern-day thermostat technology now allows you to automate and monitor your home environment remotely from any connected mobile device. A Wi-Fi enabled thermostat permits you to monitor or control temperature, humidity, runtimes, and more. Some can even send alarms and notifications. Systems ordered with this kit will not come with the standard WhisperKOOL controller or bottle probe.